precision. This isn't about flashy, over-the-top styling. It's about looking smart, sharp, and confident. Up front, the grille is replaced by a parametric shutter panel. It looks like a solid, textured piece of art. But it breathes opening invisible gills only when needed for cooling. The headlights are a single, intense Cyclops-beam projector that gives the car a focused, determined stare. It looks less like a commuter car and more like a high-tech tool. And check out this single, sharp Katana line that slices across the side. It's a design element that gives the car a low athletic stance, making it look planted and ready to move. It's the kind of detail that speaks to quality and a new level of confidence. But the real rebellion starts when you get inside. While other car companies are in a race to see who can glue the biggest iPad to the dash, Toyota is doing the opposite. Your main display is a gorgeous, widescreen recessed deep into the dash, but it's not a touchscreen. Toyota's vision is to reduce distraction, not create more of it. You control everything with your voice or with this beautiful, minimalist haptic dial on the console. It feels solid, intuitive, and lets you keep your eyes on the road. And yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are projected beautifully onto that main screen. Seamlessly, it's your apps, your music, in a smarter, safer interface. The cabin is also designed to be life-proof. The center console is modular. Toyota envisions an entire ecosystem of accessories you can click into place. A bigger Q folder for your oversized water bottle. A dedicated spot for your dog's leash. A MagSafe charging mount. The car adapts to your life, not the other way around. For decades, the Corolla has been about one thing, MPG. And the 2027 vision blows the doors off expectations. The 5th-gen hybrid system is engineered to break records. Imagine a car like this achieving 60, maybe even 65 miles per gallon in the real world. That's not just saving money, that's a superpower. But here is the twist nobody saw coming. Introducing the conceptual GR Corolla Hybrid. That's right, Gazoo Racing gets their hands on the hybrid system. Think about it. The instant, neck-snapping torque of a powerful electric motor, paired with a high-revving engine, all-wheel drive, and a GR-tuned sport suspension. It's the hyper-efficient, fun two-drive sport compact that we have all been begging for. And the full EV is the smart choice. Perfected. A solid 320-mile real-world range. And critically, it will launch with a native NACS port, giving you access to the Tesla supercharger network on day one. No adapters, no hassle. The tech in this car isn't about gimmicks. It's about making your life better. The Toyota Guardian AI is your stress-free co-pilot. It learns your commute and uses the electric motor more in heavy traffic to save fuel and give you a smoother ride. The new Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 introduces a highway co-pilot for long road trips. Handling, steering, speed, and lane changes with incredible smoothness on approved highways. It's a system designed to give you your energy and your sanity back after a long day, and its advanced sensors create a protective shield around the car. Hyper aware of pedestrians and cyclists in busy city traffic.